Okay, here I quickly want to show you how to find the equation of a tangent, given that of the tangent is at x is equal to 1. So the first thing you're going to do, write the equation of your straight line, because you know that a tangent is a line that touches the graph at only one point, as I mentioned before. So we are going to write the equation y is equals to mx plus c, and then we are going to find your gradient, which is your m, and then your x we know is your 1, and then we're going to find your y value and then c. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is to find your gradient. We know that the gradient is the first derivative. So when deriving your equation and then substitute your value, you are going to find your gradient. So you're going to say the derivative of our equation is 3x squared minus 6x. So we are going to say the derivative at 1 is 3 into 1 squared minus 6 into 1, and then we find that our gradient is 3 squared. 3 into 1 squared is 3 minus 6 is going to be negative 3. And then we have our gradient as negative 3. Therefore, we move into finding our y value. Finding the y value, you go back to your original equation, and then we take the point that we are given, which is x equal to 1, and then we substitute there from the original equation to find your y value. We find that f at x at 1 cubed minus 3 into 1 squared plus 4 will give us 2. And therefore, we have our y value, we have our gradient, we have our x value. We can now find our only last term, which is c. And then to find c, we are going to go back to our equation y is equals to mx plus c, and then we substitute our values there, and then we find that our y is 2, and then our gradient is negative 3, and then our x is 1, like they said, and then plus c. From here we can simplify, taking all this to the other side. We're going to find that our value of c is 5, and then from here we are going to go back to our equation of our tangent, because we are trying to find the equation of a tangent, and then we write it as in equation form, saying y is equals to, and then our m is our gradient, which is negative 3, and then we put our x plus our c, which is 5. There we go. That's how you find the equation of a tangent. Please, if you find this video useful, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure to smash that notification button to make sure that you stay tuned and be the first person to be notified. And good luck on your examination. Good luck on your June examination.